Take out your maths notebooks. Chapter 5. Multiplication. Take out books, notebooks, sorry, notebooks. Take out your notebooks, everyone. Okay?
Where notebook?
Yes, maths fair notebook. Obviously, there is only one fair notebook of maths. Is there any rough notebook of maths? Is there any rough notebook? No, no. So why? Okay, you have done till fourth question. Exercise number 5.4. We have done till fourth question.
Excuse me.
Yes. Okay, I'm just okay. I'm increasing that. Okay, my window. I'm just doing it. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ beta.
Please wait for. I have to take out my maths notebook.
Beta, I told you just you have to take out on the that only WhatsApp only. I told you. Now my video is coming to all.
Ma'am, I have done theory.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done this exercise 5.4 till question number this 4 we have done. Till question number 4 we have already done. Now we will start question number 5. Okay. Now we are going to start with question number.
Ma'am, on the same page.
Beta, on a new page you will start. New page. Suppose you have done till here. Now start from this page. New page. Put down the date. Put down the date over here. Put down the date over here.
Your Windows light is reflecting the whiteboard.
My window is what? My window is what happening?
Ma'am, how many pages I have to leave?
Who is asking beta this thing? How many pages? Name, tell your name.
Ma'am,
Akhya beta, no, you don't have to leave any page. You don't have to leave any page. Exercise 5.4 you have already done. We have already done on the WhatsApp when we were doing the classes. Now we will start from a new page. Just simply start from a new page. That's it.
my name is Bhavya. Your light is reflecting on whiteboard.
If you all of you are going to speak like that, I'm not going to listen. Your voice is not audible to me. First, raise your hand. Beta, there are some. Okay, I'm just doing the mute for all. Nobody will be able to speak now or unmute themselves. Okay. One by one, I'm asking. Akhya, speak, beta, quickly. Akhya.
5.4 exercise.
You have done exercise 5.4. Still, what I'm teaching you, you have to do it. Okay?
Ma'am.
Beta.
Ma'am, we should write in our fair notebook.
Yes, beta, maths fair notebook. It should be
Okay,
done.
ma'am.
Wait. I'm writing here. Maths
7
fair
multiply 4.
and from a new page. Don't write this, but I'm writing it here for you all, since you are not able to understand. Okay? This is 5th question. Solve the 6th one now. Okay,
Ma'am,
Panchal want to say,
page.
Panchal want to say something. Panchal, now speak. Beta, I unmuted you. Speak up fast, quickly.
Ma'am, I am not able to see your board clearly.
You're not able to see my everyone. My board is clear, I think so. The video is clear. If my board is clear, okay, wait. My video is coming for all now. My big video, Akshaj. Okay, Akshaj, I'm asking you to unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's come.
Akshaj, now speak up.
Ma'am, we are starting new page. We have write question 5 or question
Yes.
1.
Question 5 only, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to mention question 5 only because we have already done question 4.
The light is reflecting the whiteboard.
Okay, wait, let me wait for a minute. Now fine? Now is it okay? A little bit is coming, that's okay. I think it can work. Okay, just Reena is raising her hand. What you want to say? Just wait, beta. Just Reena. Wait. Still not coming, beta. Voice is not coming. Now you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to start from fifth only.
What?
We have to start from fifth only.
Yes, beta.
Fifth.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have done 4 already. We have done the 4. Akshat, you want to ask something, beta? Akshat? No. Okay, Yuvraj Gupta, do you want to ask something? I'm just unmuting you. Tell me. Yes, Yuvraj.
Ma'am, I have done 4.
You have done till 4 now. Now do 5, 6, 7, 8 now.
Ma'am, I done.
This also you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
These questions in pair notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will see. Just wait. Post it on the group, beta. Click the picture and Jaskaran. Yes, Jaskaran.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying that
Uh,
ma'am, I didn't complete 1, 2, 3, and 4 question because I was joined in this time.
you are not complete. So, koi baat nahi. You can do it afterwards. You can ask from your friends and you can do it afterwards. Okay. Okay, Jaskaran, I asked Mitanj. Why are you raising your hand, Mitanj? Mitanj?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have done all the questions and
These all.
answer.
This one you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Post the answer on WhatsApp group. I'm seeing.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you have done, just post on the group. Okay. Good, Yuvraj. Yuvraj, you are so fast, beta. How can you do it? Okay, I want to see that if everyone is doing or not. Those who Akshat, your point is clear, I think so. So I'm lower your hand, everyone. Those who have raised their hand. If you have any problem, then you may raise your hand. Okay, Rishika. Beta, no, one thing I must tell you. I'm just giving you to unmute your audio. First of all, then I will tell you something. Unmute your audio. I've given you permission to unmute. Yes.
Ma'am, I have my razor.
What?
I don't know where my
What you
Ma'am,
don't know?
I don't know where my razor is.
You don't know?
I don't know where my razor is.
Where your eraser is. How can I find out your eraser, beta? You can take mine. I have eraser. You want to take my eraser?
Found it.
Okay, very good. And beta, one more thing. If you have to raise your hand, there is one option of raise hand coming in under your RAISEHAND hand. raise hand. This option is coming in the emojis. So whenever you have to raise hand, you have to follow that. Vikas, okay. Vikas, tell me what problem you have, beta. Vikas.
Ma'am, please check my work.
Okay, I'm checking. Just wait. Just wait for a minute. I'm just checking one by one. Beta 3A and B are both are here together. Who has done this like this? Abhineet, beta, I told you this is 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've written like this. You have to do it in the same way. Wait for some time, Akshat. Just wait. Beta, who has done this? Mitansh, your answers are wrong. Sorry, Riddhi Agarwal. Riddhi Agarwal, your answers are wrong. Correct them, beta. Riddhi Agarwal, your answers are wrong. Arkan. Arkan, beta, second one you have done wrong. It's 324. Multiply by 8. So correct it, Arkan. Okay, just wait for a minute, everyone. I'm just checking one by one. I will give you permission to speak up also. Okay, Atharv Gupta, I'm giving you permission to speak. Tell beta. Atharv Gupta, speak. What is the problem, Atharv Gupta? Mitansh, correct. Very good,
Ma'am?
Mitansh. Huh? Atharv Gupta.
Ma'am, please say, can you send the 1, 2, 3, 4?
Beta, ask from your friends now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I go on WhatsApp?
Yes, Panchul, beta, last answer is wrong. Don't be in such a hurry that you make this mistake. Vedanshu, I'm opening yours. Vedanshu, speak, beta.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, I am leaving the meeting, okay?
Okay, beta, you can come back. Yes, Vedanshu. Speak, beta, Vedanshu. Okay, Akshaj, quickly speak your point for quickly. Akshaj, then Rishabh, your chance. Akshaj,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
guess which one?
Ma'am, if there is 5, so we write there 0 because when we multiply 0 to any number, so there is answer 0.
Yes, this one na. Then it is coming 5 like this one. Some of you are facing problem in this one. Just look here, everyone. 8, 7, 8 is 56. 5 is carried over here. 7 zeros are 0. And 0 plus 5 is what? 5. So we will write 5 here. Okay. Then 7 threes are 21. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, Rishabh, I'm going to give you. Okay, Rishabh, speak. Sure, it's correct.
I have this problem.
Oh,
You have
okay. Okay, I have just told you. Okay. Sure, beta, your last answer is wrong. Sure. Of third B. Sure, of third B. First answer is wrong. Samarth, it is correct, beta. Very nice. Who has done this? Not done the answer, Vikas. I will do your answers. Okay, Stuti, I'm going to give you permission to unmute. Stuti, speak. Beta, who is this? Yuvraj of third A. Third B. Sorry, Yuvraj, I don't know which Yuvraj is this. He is asking me, he is sending this. I am not giving you permission to unmute you because all of you are speaking together. So I cannot hear any one of you. That's why I'm not giving you the permission to unmute. Rishabh, speak beta. जिसका point clear हो गया, just lower their hand. Any problem, Rishabh, now?
no, ma'am. I have any problem. No, ma'am. I
Lower
have
your
not
hand.
problem.
Stuti, us unmute you. Tell me. Kanav, correct beta. हाँ बोलो. Stuti, speak. Beta, I asked you to unmute. I'm unmute करो बेटा. Speak now.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Anshul, now it is correct.
Not doing work. Ma'am, I am late, so I am not doing work.
Why you are not well?
Ma'am, I am come late.
You come late to do this work, beta, on a maths fair notebook quickly.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Ma'am, I am going late. I am going late. I am not doing work.
Okay, Stuti. Virat, it is correct. Sheesh, very good, beta. Sheesh, very nice. 1904, correct. All the answers are correct, Sheesh. Ansh, beta, all answers are correct. Good, Ansh, very good. Yuvraj Gupta, Manas Garg, Sarthak, I'm giving you permission to unmute. Ansh, very good. 2592251215. Beta, all of you can do one thing. I am opening the chat box. You can just type in the chat box. If you have any problem, then if you have any problem, you can type in the chat box. Sarthak, speak, beta. Sarthak, I'm listening, beta.
My father and mother are going to work, so I have one mobile and one laptop. I am studying with laptop.
Okay.
I can send the work with the mobile.
Okay, beta.
To write this and unmute it.
Yes. Bhavya, it's correct, beta. Aradhya, sorry, what is her name? Akshada, it is correct. Very well done. Kunal, beta, last answer is wrong, Kunal. Akshat, yes, good, beta. All answers are correct, Akshat. Then Mokshit, very good, Mokshit. Those who are asking for the answers for first, second, third, fourth, Mokshit, you can do your own work. Beta, Jasrina, type your answer. Beta, type your query here from in the chat box. I've checked my work, Yuvraj Gupta. I think I've checked your work, Yuvraj Gupta. Ansh, you want to ask something? Okay, I'm going to give you permission to unmute. Who is this? Anmol, don't you know the spelling of excuse me, ma'am? Okay, beta, this one, who want to ask, who was saying that I want to ask some question? Who was the boy? Anmol. Anmol, nahi, sorry, Ansh Patel. Ansh Patel, please ask your question, beta. Ansh Patel, please ask your question. Open your audio. Ansh. Ashray, I have done. Please open my mic. Okay. So why to open your mic? If you have any problem, then you may ask. Ashray, your problem you may ask. Who is this Drishti Tyagi? Who is Drishti Tyagi? Type your name. Okay, I'm giving all of you to unmute yourself. So one by one, please switch off your mics. One by one, whom I am asking what, only those will ask. Those will tell me. Okay. Make this is a strict rule. Otherwise, I'll make you. I'll stop your chat. And what are the questions? Beta, who is asking? Manas girl, please say the Mokshit paper sent on the maths sent on the group. See Mokshit's paper if you want to ask 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. I'm going to unmute all of you. Okay. One by one, what I'm asking, just tell me, who is this Drishti Tyagi? Who is Drishti Tyagi?
Ma'am, I saw it.
Shaurya, beta, your name, your last answer is wrong. Okay. And even your fifth answer, seventh answer, this one is wrong. And this one is also wrong.
Ma'am.
Jasrina?
Ma'am.
Okay. See, 4 6
24.
Yes, very good. 4 6 24. Just wait for a minute, everyone. Let me take your attendance.
24.
अभी रिद्धि अभी आई फिर चली गई। ए मुंह कैसा लगता है हाँ, देखना अभी अभी आई। रिद्धि ना
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
ये जो यार
Who want to ask something?
मैं
Wait.
Ma'am,
Anmol, wait. Ashray, wait.
ma'am,
Third thing. Wait. Everyone just wait for 2 minutes. Ashray. Yes, correct. Ashray. Kunal, it is done. Okay, we have a new admission here. That is Minha. In our class in third B. In third B, not in third A. Okay. Okay now. Now I am allowed. Okay, first of all, I will explain. Then you will do. Then I'll ask you to unmute yourself. Okay, what is given in chat? So what can I do? Pankaj, my mic is on, but it's not sending. Ansh Patel. Okay, Ansh Patel. Anmol saying my mic is. Please check mine. Beta, your mic is not opening because I'm not giving you the permission to open it. Because all of you are making a lot of chaos here. You are not. Okay. Let's start it. See how to do this. 6 4. Either you say 4 6 or you say 6 4. Both are same. Okay. So what we are going to do? 4 6 24. So 2 4 24. 2 will be carried over here. Okay. Then 4 7s are 28. 28 29 30. So it will be 30 here. 0 and 3 will be carried over here. Then 4 4s are 16. 16, 17, 18, 19. So what will be the answer here? 1904. Now I am giving you the permission to unmute yourself. But there should not be any chaos. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I don't want to listen that. First of all, everyone, listen to this rule, first of all. Everyone has to keep their mics off. If you have to speak something, just I'm giving you permission, although I'm giving you permission, all of you, but if you have to speak something, just switch on your mic, tell your name. Suppose my name is Yuvraj Singh 2. So I will say Yuvraj Singh 2, want to ask some question. Suppose my name is Shaurya. So I will switch on my mic. I will say Shaurya, want to ask some question. Okay? Ma'am, Shaurya have doubt. You will say your name and you will speak your question. Then I will say, yes, Shaurya, speak. Then only Shaurya will speak. Other mics must be switched off. Okay? These are some instructions you should follow during these online classes. Beta, tell me, if all of you start talking, everyone's mic is on. If everyone start talking, ma'am, how will I be able to know who is speaking and what is their problem? How will I be able to know? Is it so or not? Okay. Okay, let's introduce a new admission in our class that is known as Minha. She is Minha Khan and she is new admission in third B. Third B student, she is your classmate now. Okay, so I'm just going, she is here. I hope you can see her video with mine. Say hi Minha to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Minha, just say hi. You can say like this. Okay, now I'm going to unmute all of you. So I hope you understood the this. Wait, I hope you all understood how to follow the instructions during online classes. Okay, Akhya, don't type messages. Okay, I'm going to give you permission now. Okay, so if you have any Ansh, stop writing. No chat box. Otherwise, I'll just switch it off. Everyone, switch off your mics. If you have any problem, then you may take your name itself and say, suppose my name is Rishabh, I will say, ma'am, Rishabh is having problem. Okay. If you
Okay,
have
ma'am.
no, okay, what? Okay, everyone's mics must be switched off. And if you didn't switch off your mic, I will just put you on, I will remove you from the meeting. Okay, let's complete this
Ma'am,
quickly because the time is going to be over. Okay, so 8
ma'am,
4s are 32. Say your name. बेटा मैम नहीं बोलना है, मैम के साथ अपना नेम भी बोलना है. Okay, सार्थक, yes बेटा, speak. 8
Ashray Agarwal, ma'am.
Yes, Ashray.
Ma'am, we want to send work in WhatsApp group.
Beta, yes, you can send it, but now, not now. You can send it afterwards. Not now, don't send. Okay, because the time is going to be over. I will not be able to check. And Zed, what is this way of doing the work? I don't want to see such type of work. Just Karan, I am checking your
I
work.
will send after.
And just Karan, no need to send, beta. How will I come to tell you the mistakes? Just Karan, beta, listen, third B student, those who are asking for first, second, third, and fourth question, see the Just Karan's page, or you can see the Mokshit's page. Both have done all the questions properly. So you can see both of their pages. Okay, this already I have done. Now see this one. 5 5s are
Ma'am, Ansh.
Ansh, beta, wait. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carried over here. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 2. 45 plus 2. Yes, 47. I can hear some of you saying, I can see your mouths. So you're speaking like that. 47. Yes, correct. Then 5 5s are 47. So 4 will be carried over here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4, 29. Okay. Okay, Ansh, now speak, beta.
Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, in 8 question, I get some problem.
Yes, which one? This one?
Ma'am, 8.
8 is this one only.
Yes, ma'am.
So I told you, 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carried over here. 5 9s are 45, or you can say 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 2, 47. 4 will be carried over here. 5 5s are 25 plus 4, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 will be the answer here. So any problem now?
Okay, ma'am.
Ansh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sarthak, tell me, any problem, Sarthak?
Ma'am, my all answers are correct.
So, if your answers are correct, so what? I told you, yes, your answers are correct. Beta, the meeting is going to be end. The class is going to be end soon. So, all the best. We will do the multiplication next time. I want all of you to follow the instructions of online classes properly. All of you not speak like that. Everyone was opening their ma'am, 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 not like this. Not in my period. In every period, you are going to do this.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.